Hello. In this video we will talk about natural numbers and their arithmetic. And well, the majority of those things you of course know, but there may appear some new terminology. So let's start by stating that the set of natural number contains, numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so on. You know that there is infinitely many of them, and you know that the set of natural number is an ordered set. Ordered set. This means that you can put the natural numbers in order, in some order. Usually we put them in increasing order, right? So we can write in this way using an inequality sign. So 0 is less than 1, 1 is less than 2, and so on and so on. So this is the meaning of the word ordered set. Not all sets are ordered, of course. If you take the set of all the people in some country, let's say Sweden, this set is not ordered in any way. Well, you could probably order them according to the birthday and birth time, but normally you don't do this. So the set of natural numbers is ordered, and this set is also discrete. And this means that there are no other numbers between those numbers which I have mentioned, right? So there is nothing in between 0 and 1. They are just isolated. So this is the word discrete is a kind of opposite to continuous, like the set of all the real numbers. It is not a discrete set. Okay, and what more do you know? You know that you can add and you can multiply natural numbers. And maybe a new concept is that the set of natural numbers is closed under addition and multiplication. I will write it down because I suspect that it's a new concept. The set of all natural numbers is closed under addition and multiplication. And what does it mean? It means that if you add two natural numbers, the result will also be a natural numbers. If you multiply two natural numbers, the result will be another natural numbers. This means that a set is closed under addition and multiplication. And now, 0 is the neutral element of addition. Neutral element of addition. This word you probably heard before, but what does it mean? That if added to any natural number, it will not change this number. So n plus 0 is equal to n for all n in the set of natural numbers. This is the meaning of being a natural element of addition. Then what do we have more? 1 is the neutral element of multiplication. What does this mean? This means that if we multiply any natural number by 1, we will not change this number for all natural numbers n. What more do we know? Well, maybe some terminology, because this one is very often used. If you add two numbers, then you call these numbers terms. So in addition, you have term plus term is equal to the sum, right? Term plus term is equal to the sum. And in multiplication, you have factor times factor. You see that I sometimes write a cross for multiplication, sometimes a dot. It doesn't matter, it's the same. Factor times factor is equal to product. So these two names are very important. Terms for addition and factors for multiplication. And by the way, this word factor gives another term, which is factorization, right? Factorization. And factorization is representation as a product of several factors, right? And well, while we are at this, I can maybe say several words about factorization of natural numbers. But before I will state something what you obviously know, that multiplication is repeated addition, right? Is repeated addition. For natural numbers, of course, right? So, for example, 5 times 3 is the same as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So multiplication is a repeated addition. If we take 5 times 3, well, we take 5 threes and we add them together. And in the same way, you can take about taking powers, right? The powers are repeated multiplications. So, for example, if you take a 5 to the power of 3, it means that it is 5 times 5 times 5. So these are the operations we have. We will talk more about factorization, in video number 10. And now I would just like to make a final remark, and this one will be about a precedence rule. So, precedence rule. Now just one of them, you know that there are plenty of them, but I would like to name this one, that multiplication has higher precedence than addition. And, how should you understand it? That if you have, for example, 4 times 2 plus 5, then you should perform multiplication first. So this one should be computed first. So this is 8 plus 5, right? This means that multiplication has higher precedence than addition. And what is an explanation for this? Well, it's just a convention, but you should understand it in the following way. 4 times 2, well, because multiplication is a repeated addition, is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So then clearly the result is 8 plus 5, right? And so actually the explanation for this rule is that multiplication is just a repeated addition. So then it's logical to choose this precedence rule that multiplication has a higher precedence than addition. Okay. That's enough for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.